Hey beautiful people, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new. Either way, I'm excited that you clicked on this video. Today I'm hoping you guys come along with me as I get my house back in order. In the last video, I told you guys I was exhausted. I really needed a good rest. I took the rest, but then my house was becoming a mess. I am starting off in the living room. It was bad. So if you are in need of motivation after a long weekend, definitely stay tuned because I got a lot of it in this video for you.
I'm walking alone, the streets are empty. The only thing I can see is my own silhouette. I'm getting stronger, step by step. The clock is ticking, but there's no time for regrets. I've been flying from town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe trying to protect your soul. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight. Yeah. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes Feel like a dynamite, ready to explode.
These are the products that I'll be using to help me clean. Pledge, I'll be using it on the furniture, the multi-purpose foam cleaner for the sofa set, and the Sufficient glass cleaner for the TV.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go through the wasteland.
I want to stop over and introduce myself. If you're new, my name is Janat, a stay-at-home wife and mom of 4. And on my channel, I create cleaning videos, lifestyle mom videos, and organization videos. If you're interested in such content, I hope you consider subscribing and join my YouTube family. We are positive vibes here. And if you're a returning subscriber, wow. Thank you so much for coming back for yet another video. Thank you so much for the love and support. I really appreciate you guys from the bottom of my heart. If you're new subscriber, if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go through the wasteland. Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left.
This is my boys' room, and it was the worst at the moment in the house. They play from here. They also sometimes want to eat their snacks from the bedroom, something I've been fighting for the last how many years. God knows. I would like to hear from you guys. Do your kids sneak snacks in their bedrooms? Because mine seem to think that it is okay for them to eat in the bedroom. That aside, I'm about to get this room back together, all nice and cleaned up.
Samurai sword on my back. You don't know how to act. Maybe you should relax. Maybe you should relapse. Just kidding.
Until I was filming, I never realized my bag was sitting at the countertop. For a person that advocates for everything should be in its place when you get back, put your shoes where they're supposed to be, put your bag in its place. I mean, sometimes I'm like, I will get to the roads the next day.
When the night was closing in, I was alone and so afraid. Couldn't see the light. No. Then my world began to spin. Where's the beginning? Where's my omega? Had to make it right. Oh yeah. There's a moment when you know that every teardrop has to go. They've been piling up inside. It's like there's a glow. Could this moment be meant to be? There's the shadows and you'll see. There's the shadows and be free. Like sunrise. Ain't gotta let it go. Let it go. No, there's no past, no tomorrow. You're lost in reflections. Dance with the starlight. You gotta be there. You gotta be. I want it closer. Bring me light like sunrise. You gotta be there. You gotta be there. I was trying to evade, but there were no walls to barricade. There's the need to fight. No, I was gliding deep within, but there were no ways I had to win. Now that I'm found alive, oh yeah. There's a moment when you know that every teardrop has to go. They've been piling up inside. Inside there's a glow. Could this moment be meant to be? Lose the shadows and you'll see. Lose the shadows and be free.
Thank you so much for watching. I hope this video gave you some sort of motivation in case you need to get things done around your home. And if you have enjoyed it, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you're new or you haven't already. Until next time, inshallah, stay safe. Bye.